Hey guys, Sean Tier here, Flip2Freedom.com. Hope you're having a fabulous Sunday afternoon. It is beautiful out here in AZ. Just hanging out in the backyard real quick, but I'm off to church. I'm going to be leaving here in about 10 minutes. So I got a real quick message for you that I thought I'd share with you. Since it's Sunday and church, I wanted to give you a story about making decisions, and when it comes to fear and faith, right? So making decisions, fear, and faith. So in the Bible, there is a story where Moses passed away. And obviously, we all know Moses, right? He led the Israelites out of Egypt, went 40 years in the desert to get to the promised land. And he actually, passed away. And God appointed Joshua to lead the Israelites to the promised land. And interestingly, what happened was Joshua was just like you and I. Joshua had doubts. He actually wrestled with God, internally and mentally in his head. And Joshua had, doubts, and Joshua had fears. And Joshua's like, I don't know if I can do this. I don't know if I have what it takes. I don't know if, I'm the right person. And he questions God. And now God gave him and appointed him over the Israelites to lead them into the promised land. And he's like, he had doubt. He didn't know if he could do it. So now the thing is, he had this gigantic obstacle in front of him, which was the Jordan River, right? So he's sitting there, and he had to lead the Israelites across the Jordan River. But at the time, the Jordan River was literally swelling and overflowing at this time of the year. So what God told Joshua was, go and take the leaders and tell the leaders to go and cross the Jordan River. Now, think about this. Think if this was you. You're sitting there right now. You got this massive swelling river, and you're told to go in and just walk across the river, the Jordan River. And now we would think it's impossible. That can't happen. There's no way it's going to work. We're going to all die. We're going to step into the river. It's just going to sweep us away, and we're going to die. And the interesting thing, here's what happened, is they stepped with faith in the face of fear, and the Jordan River literally just stopped the minute they put their foot in the water. The Jordan River stopped, and you know what happened? Is it opened up and it created a clear path across the obstacle to the other side, to the promised land. So the moral of the story is this, is that you are going to have in your life decisions where you have a choice to honor your fear or have faith, right? So Joshua, he had to move. Basically, the leaders had to step into their fear with faith. And because they stepped with faith, guess what? Miracles happen. Amazing things happen. So think about the decisions in your life that come up. Small decisions, major decisions, huge things. And ask yourself the question, are you making the decision based upon fear, or are you making the decision based upon faith? Because if you step into your fear with an element of faith, I'm telling you, miracles will happen. Amazing things will open up for you. The problem is that we're human, right? And we have doubts and fears. And, I constantly have to ask myself, as I take major, big decisions and major steps in my life, is my decision based upon fear or faith, right? And there's a lot of times, man, I'm facing a massive decision right now to go all in on something that's a pretty big project that will impact my family in a huge positive way. It's a fear. There is fear right there. And I have a choice. I could step into it with fear, step into that with faith, and move forward in amazing things. Every time I've ever done that in my life, every time I've ever made a decision and I had faith, and I stepped into my fear, just like Joshua did, stepping into the Jordan River, miracles happen. Every time I've done that, it's been better than I've ever expected. The problem is that most of my entire life, I have submitted to the fear. I have submitted to, what if it doesn't work? What if I fail? What if I'm not good enough? What if I can't make it happen? And I would take this in my mind, and I would project into the future all these bad things that would happen, right? Oh man, what if I do it, and what if I go all in on marketing, right? And I don't have any money, and I can't pay pay my payroll, and I can't do this, and I can't do that. What if it doesn't work? What if I can't get deals and I can make it happen? And it's a scary thing to be able to do it, but there is an element of faith that you have to move into, and it moves mountains. Some of the greatest people on our planet, the people that we look up to, the people that we idolize, the people that are immensely successful, have taken massive amounts of risk, and risk is calculated to the element of faith. Now you have to take a calculated risk, right? But there is a risk is fear. There's fear. The risk means if you step into that fear with faith, risk is it could go bad, right? But if you do it in a faithful manner, and you put 1,000% effort, and you work harder than you've ever worked before, your miracle will show up in your life. Your miracle will happen. Anytime I've ever submitted to the fear, and I've never, and I decided not to do it because of all the negative in my mind of like, this is going to happen and that's going to happen, all these bad things, all those things. Every time I submitted to that fear, it's always ended up worse than I could ever imagine. So look at the decisions in your life. I just want to make a quick message off to church right now, and I thought I'd just share that quick message with you guys on a Sunday morning, Sunday afternoon, and let you know that as decisions come up in your life, big decisions, and you're standing just like Joshua was at the edge of the Jordan River. He had a choice. It all comes down to choices. He had a choice. He could step into that Jordan River in faith and face his fear with faith and take that step, or he could walk away. And guess what? They would have never reached their promised land if they wouldn't have ever taken that step. So you know what? Your promised land on earth, right, is being able to do what you want with who you want when you want, having amazing amount of freedom, and that's your promised land. So the thing is that you've got to step into those decisions with faith. So hope you have a phenomenal Sunday. It's a beautiful day. Got a ton of stuff going on next week, which is great. Take care. God bless.